y'all tuning into another episode of Straight Power TV. It's your host Mopar X. We're bringing you all the exclusive car enthusiast content straight to your devices. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all follow and subscribe. Straight Power TV.
On today's episode of Straight Power TV, we are bringing you all the exclusive car enthusiast content. It's your host Mopar X. Come on, let's get into it.
Today's episode of Straight Power TV, we're going to be going ahead and remove spark plugs, coil packs on both sides on a 2021 Dodge Ram 1500. Customer complaint is the vehicle has 52,000 miles and is misfiring while he's driving. He doesn't feel safe to drive it down the road. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace the spark plugs. And I don't recommend this, but we're only going to replace one ignition coil because they're going to be selling this vehicle probably tomorrow. So stay tuned to the channel. Let's get it. Extension for this side now. Yeah. I'm working on the passenger side right now. Three more to go. Pull the hose back. Take the ratchet out. Take the socket out. They're all loose. This socket right here is not magnetic, so I had to go get my trusty magnet here. One. Oh, fell on the ground, now I get it. There's two. Three. Four. 5. 6. 7. 9. This is 8 though. And if you're doing this on a lifted truck, I feel sorry for you. All right. Check these plugs out here. I'm gonna whip that over here in a second. 2 of them dropped on the ground. But this is what they look like. Not too bad. The box in like this. And then nothing in the way, no tools, no nothing. And so all the holes is lined up. Alright, that's it. Now we're gonna get the air filter. Slide the air filter back in. This is how you change the air filter on a 2021 Dodge Ram. With a 5.7. 4-wheel drive. Go ahead. Slide the air box right back at the top of it. Make sure all the screws go down in the hole. Right. Turn the impact down. Just don't want to go all the way down straight. It's okay. Lift it up a little bit. Air box is in. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the beast is back online. Stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button and follow me. It's your host, Mopar X. Got it done tonight, man.